Let us test the smart contract using the hard hat framework so that it is working correctly before deployment to the Ethereum network. Create a new folder named test and inside a new file named storage.test.js. First, import load fixture from Hardhat tools. Load fixture is a Hardhat helper function that simplifies and optimizes test setup by executing a fixture or setup function once and then resetting the blockchain state to that particular point for subsequent tests. Next, we'll import Chai, the assertion library used by Hardhat. Now, describe is a construct used to group various tests. First, we will create the fixture function, which gets the first account from the Hardhat node. This is only possible for the Hardhat node. Then deploy the storage contract. Finally, we will return the account and the contract instance. Next, we will use the it construct to create a test. The first test is to check if the contract's deployment is correct. When Hardhat deploys a contract, it will use the first address unless specified otherwise from the Hardhat node. Here we will check if the deployer and the first address are the same. First, get the contract instance and the first account from the fixture function. Then, using expect, which compares to value, we will check if the deployer and the first address are the same. In the next test, we will check if we are able to store a key value pair. First, run the fixture, call store function with the key and value, and we expect it to emit an event named stored and the following values for arguments. That does the checking based on the fact if the function execution emitted the intended event. Next, we'll check if the read function works. First, we reset the smart contract state and get the contract instance from the fixture. Store a key value pair, then retrieve it and compare the output result with the input. Now execute the test using the command npx hardhat test, and all the test has passed as expected. That completes the testing. In the next video, we will deploy the contract to the Ethereum testnet.